My name is Lochan Simha. I am studying in second standard B section. Part of our body. External parts. External parts are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, hand and leg. Eyes help us to see around us. Ears help us to listen the sound. Nose help us to smell and breathe. Tongue help us to taste the food and talk. Hand help us to write. Leg help us to walk. Internal parts are brain, heart, lungs, stomach and kidney. Brain is located in our head. It helps us to think, remember and learn. It is also known as a thinking organ. The heart is located in our chest. It pumps the blood to all parts of our body. It is also known as pumping organ. Stomach. The stomach is located in our abdomen. The food that we eat goes into the stomach through the food pipe. Lungs. The lungs is located in our chest. It helps us to breathing and it also known as respiratory organ. Kidney are the bean-shaped organ. It helps us to fill the blood and remove waste from the body in the form of urine. Thank you.